Hello friends, welcome to physics class. In this video, we are going to discuss intensity of electric field around an electric dipole. It's the most important video and an important question with respect to IPE. So in our previous video, we concluded our topic with electric dipole. There we concluded with one point. What is that? The net charge of an electric dipole is zero. Though the total charge is zero, there is some electric field around it. Charge is zero, but some electric field is existed around an electric dipole. So to study this electric field around electric dipole, what we do now we will see. Now because here the intensity of electric field is not equal at different points. For example, this is a positive charge and this is a negative charge. Dipole. You know well what is dipole. Dipole is what? Pair of two charges separated by a distance 2a, where this is the center of the dipole. The midpoint of the dipole is the center of the dipole, and here the distance is a, and from here to here the distance is a. The total distance will take as the 2a. Now if I want to find the intensity of electric field, for example I want to find the intensity of electric field here. Okay, now this dipole has electric field around it. This total electric field is there around it. I want to find the intensity of electric field here. For example, here positive charge is closer to it and negative charge is farther to it. Means what? The impact of positive charge is more on this and negative charge will be less. If I take here, the negative charge effect will be more and positive charge effect is less. If I take here anywhere, the both charges will be at equal distance. So like that, intensity of electric field is different at different points. Here, to study the intensity of electric field, we'll take the reference of the Coulomb's law, as well as the principle of superposition, as well as from vectors parallelogram law we'll take. Okay, with the help of these three, we are going to find the intensity of electric field around an electric dipole. Here there are two major cases are there. Number one is the intensity of electric dipole on axial line. Intensity of electric field on axial line. What is an axial line? What is an axial line? Axial line is an imaginary line passing through the charges. This is an axial line. If you suppose this one has a positive charge and this one has a negative charge. Okay, now I suppose a point on the axial line. This is the axial line which is passing through the two charges. And here I suppose a point P. Here the point is P. At what distance? At a distance R. At a distance R from the center. See, distances to the dipole will be always measured from the center. Distances are measured from the center. So this is the center of the dipole. From here at a distance R, I have taken a point P. Here I want to find the intensity of the electric field. Okay, the intensity of the electric field of electric dipole. Okay, ఈ electric dipole యొక్క electric field axial line మీద P అనే పాయింట్ దగ్గర ఎంత ఉందో మనం కనుక్కోవాలి. Right? There is another case, that is the equatorial plane. Equatorial plane is this one, which is normal to the dipole. That is the equatorial plane. So first case one we will study here. This is the most important topic. Right? Here I have to find. Now if you suppose point point P, here positive charge. The field is outward direction. The positive charge valla electric field e direction lo untundi. For negative charge, the direction of electric field is this one. So I have to find the electric field due to positive charge. Electric field due to positive charge. What is the electric field formula? Electric field formula E is equals to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. Or else we have written like this: 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Right? What is that R? R is the distance. Now we will see by with the help of that one, plus Q 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, as it is I am writing, as it is a constant, and this is the positive charge, so charge is equal, magnitude is same, so Q by R square, distance. What is the distance of this point P from here? So here one point I missed here. Let us suppose the length of the dipole is 2a. So from here to here it is a and from here to here it is a. So what is distance of this point P from Q? Q nunchi P enta duram undi. So this total distance is R. From this R distance you subtract this a distance. From here to here it is a. So if you subtract from R a, then you will get this distance. So that's why I am writing this one, R minus a whole square. Q is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, Q by R minus a whole square, and I am writing the vector notation P cap. What is P? P is the dipole moment. Its direction is always negative to positive, negative charge to positive charge. In our previous video we have discussed. So this is what electric field due to positive charge. Next, electric field due to negative charge. E minus Q, negative field due to negative charge. Electric field due to negative charge. Now this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q by, what is the distance of this point from negative charge? From negative charge, what is the distance here? You see point P and negative charge. This is R distance, and from here to here A distance. Total R plus A distance. So I am writing here R plus A whole square, vector notation P cap. So two charges are there, E plus Q, E minus Q. I want to know the net electric field. This is electric field due to positive charge, electric field due to negative charge. What I want to know the electric field due to both of these charges at point P. Then what I have to do? Principle of superposition. What is principle of superposition? The total electric field Q. Okay, the total electric field. Right here, electric field E is equals to electric field due to positive charge plus electric field due to negative charge. Right, electric field due to positive charge 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Right, Q by R minus A whole square plus Q by R plus A whole square. Q by R minus A whole square plus Q by R minus A whole square plus Q by R plus A whole square. And here one more thing, sorry. E minus Q, negative charge, no? So magnitude is minus. This is minus Q, this is plus Q. So here I will write minus, okay, plus minus Q by R plus A whole square. Okay, now I will write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Right? R plus A whole square plus into minus. So Q I am keeping aside. Okay. R plus A whole square minus R minus A whole square cross multiplication by R minus A into R plus A whole square. We can write directly, but for our understanding I am writing. If you understand it directly, you can write from here. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square, 4AB. A plus B whole square minus 4A minus B whole square, that is 4AB. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is Q. 4AB, that is 4RA. 4RA or 4AR. 4AR. Any problem? Q times of R plus A whole square minus R minus A whole square is 4AR by A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. So R square minus A square is whole square. R square minus A square whole square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q times of 4AR by R square minus A square whole square. Okay, then again I will simplify it. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, before going to this, here one more step. See here, R is much greater than A. Right? Practically, dipole is very small thing. Dipole is chala chinnadi when you compare with R. So that what we'll do, as R is much greater than A. R is much greater than A. Omit A in denominator. A అనేది R కన్నా చాలా చిన్నది కాబట్టి ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, A అనేది ఎలాగో డినామినేటర్ లో ఉంది, న్యూమరేటర్ లో ఉంటే its effect will be there, but as it is in the denominator its effect will be less in the calculation. So what we'll write, the omit A in the denominator. Let us suppose A is 0. A ని ఏమనుకుంటున్నాం, చాలా చిన్న వాల్యూ కాబట్టి దాన్ని ఏమనుకుంటున్నాం మనం 0 అనుకుంటున్నాం. Shall I rub this one? I'll rub it. Now we'll see what happened. If A is supposed as 0 in the denominator, not in the numerator, in the denominator, then E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q4AR by R to the power of 4. Right? A is 0 అయిపోయింది, A 0 అయిపోయింది, A square. So that is 0. R square whole square R to the power of 4. This R and this cancel. So then what I'll get, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This 4A I'll write 2 into 2AQ by R cube. Are you able to recall anything by seeing this one? ఏమైనా గుర్తొస్తుందా మీకు? 2A into Q. What is 2A into Q? 2A into Q is what? That is dipole moment. Right? Dipole moment. So dipole moment is denoted by P. So 2P by R cube. This is what? This is the electric field on axial line. Electric field on axial line is what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2P by R cube. This is the most important conclusion here. Okay? Electric field on axial line is how much? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2P by R cube. Next we will see electric field on equatorial plane. Right? Now we will see on equatorial plane. On equatorial plane, I am taking a dipole first with the two charges. One is positive charge, another one is negative charge. What is the direction of dipole moment? Negative charge to positive charge. This is the direction of the dipole moment. Okay, we need of this one. Next మనకి దీని అవసరం ఉంది కాబట్టి చెప్తున్నాను. So this is the positive charge and this is the negative charge. Is it coming straight? Okay. And this is the center of the dipole. Now at this center, from this center, at a particular point at a distance r, I'll take a point P. I'll take a point P from R. This is what we call. This is called as the equatorial plane. Pine in this course, your wish that is. You can take either in the top or in the down. So P is a point. Okay. Now, what is the direct distance of P from Q? P ki distance, Q ki madhya distance antundi. Now, if you suppose already in our previous talk we have seen this distance is A, this distance is A. Now, this distance we have to find. This distance we have to find. What is the distance? This is A and this is R. It is appearing like right angle triangle. Then what is this one? This is under the root A square plus R square. Right? Under the root A square plus R square. Similarly, what is this distance? This distance also the same. Under the root A square plus R square. Okay. Now we have to see the intensity of electric field. And electric field, the effect of this positive charge and negative charge at point P we have to see. For this, for my convenience, I am writing this one. Right? So see, positive charge, direction of electric field is outward direction. So positive charge outward direction, right? Direction of negative charge is inward direction. This is the inward direction. For negative charge it is inward direction, positive charge outward direction. Now see, it is diagonally is there. Diagonally is there. Whenever a diagonal component is there, then we will take its horizontal component as well as the vertical component. So here we will take its vertical component. This is what? Effect due to positive charge. This is what? Effect due to negative charge. Electric field due to negative charge. Now its horizontal component. Its horizontal component is this one. Positive charge cos theta. Its vertical component is E plus Q sin theta. Right? Okay. Vertical component E plus Q sin theta. Similarly, this is a negative charge. Negative charge in this direction. Direction of electric field is towards the negative charge. Now its a horizontal component is this one again. Horizontal component of both positive charge and negative charge along the same line. E minus Q cos theta. And vertical component in the downward direction, that is E minus Q sin theta. మన బుక్ లో ఎక్కడైనా సరే E plus Q sin theta, E minus Q sin theta, E plus Q cos theta అని రాయడం జరగదు. So in our book how it is directly given as electric field E. Why? Because the net electric field, the total electric field is in this direction. Sir, what about the vertical component? Vertical component లో ఉన్నటువంటి plus Q and minus Q, both are in opposite direction, so that they will be get cancelled. So here one point you have to write as a note. What is that? Write a note. The electric field along the normal of the dipole, is get cancelled. Vertical direction. Are you understanding here? Positive charge, here one point is there, plus is what one point we consume, but assume it a point, a distance r from the center of the dipole, right? Here positive charge direction of electric field in that direction. See, positive charge in this direction. Negative charge direction of electric field is towards the negative charge. So we are writing the arrow mark down. So one is in that direction, one is in this direction. So from the parallelogram law for the vectors, what will get the net electric field is this. This is the direction of the net electric. This is the direction of the net electric field. So now what we have to write? I have to write the electric field due to positive charge and electric field due to negative charge. Here I will write electric field due to positive charge. Electric field due to positive charge. What is electric field due to positive charge now? E cos theta. E cos theta. E plus Q cos theta. What is E plus Q cos theta? So to avoid the confusion, what I will do here, I will avoid this cos theta and finally we will write it. Okay na? Last week malli raasdam manu. So E plus Q, what we can write here? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by distance. What is distance? A square plus R square. Under the root A square plus R square. So under the root A square plus R square whole square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square kada distance. So R square and under the root A square plus R square whole square. So I write this one as A square plus R square. Right? Now electric field due to negative charge minus Q is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by, again at the same distance, no? A square plus R square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by A square plus R square. Now what is electric field? Total electric field. Total electric field at a point P is E is equals to what? E plus Q plus E minus Q cos theta. E plus Q plus E minus Q cos theta. Here one thing is to be noted with it. Okay, point note చేసుకోవాలి. What is the direction of this electric field now? See, direction of the electric dipole moment is this one, negative charge to positive charge. Direction of electric field is opposite. So direction of the electric field along the equatorial plane is opposite to the direction of the dipole moment. So resultant electric field, total electric field is write as a minus E plus Q plus E minus Q cos theta. So let us write E plus Q 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by A square plus R square. Again the same thing, no? E minus Q also the same thing. So what I can write simply 2Q. దీన్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, 2 times అవుతుంది కదా. So that's why I'm writing 2Q 4 pi epsilon naught A square plus R square. Any objection here? I'll write minus notation, minus cos theta. ఇప్పుడు cos theta value కనుక్కోవాలి. What is the theta here? This is the point P. Here I'm writing this is the angle theta. This is the angle theta, and this angle theta is similar to this one. If here is the angle theta, here also the angle theta. If angle theta ఉంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏమవుతుంది, same lines, no? So we'll get angle theta. So what is the value of cos theta from here? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So we'll write the minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2Q by A square plus R square cos theta, adjacent side A by hypotenuse under the root A square plus R square. A by under the root A square plus R square. Okay, shall I wrap this one now? I'll wrap this one. A by under the root A square plus R square. Now once you write the minus of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2Q by 2Q, and let us add that one also here, 2AQ. What I am writing here, 2AQ. ఎందుకు రాసానో మీకు అర్థమై ఉంటుంది. 2AQ, you might have understood, I have written like this. 2AQ, A square plus R square, A square plus R square to the power of 1, A square plus R square to the power of 1 by 2. Under the root is 1 by 2. Multiplication of these two, 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So A square plus R square to the power of 3 by 2. Right? Now minus of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here one more thing I will write. As we have done in our previous one, R is much greater than A. Omit A in denominator. A value is very small. So if it is in the denominator, there is no use of it. So no use of it, no? There will be use, but its effect will be less on the resultant value. So that's why we can omit A. So if you omit A in the denominator, then what you will get, minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2AQ by A we can omit. So this is R square to the power of 3 by 2, that is R cube. R square to the power of 3 by 2, 2 cancel, R cube. So what you write, it is anyhow minus is showing only the direction, not the magnitude. Electric field of magnitude never be minus, it is showing only the direction. So in final we can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2AQ is the dipole moment P by R cube. This is the net electric field on equatorial plane. On equatorial plane, this one. This is on equatorial plane. On axial line, how much you got? On axial line, a difference on axial line, why? Because while doing the numerical, this is important to us. 2p by r cube. On axial line, it is 2p by r cube. On equatorial line, on plane of equatorial plane, it is p by r cube. Okay, I hope you understood. These two are the most important long answers. Either with respect to numericals also, these are most important formulae. Electric field on axial line as well as electric field on equatorial plane. Right? Thank you very much.